Dolores Wilson, you are the most unruly, disobedient girl in this school.
Proud, arrogant, abusive, disobedient.
Told you not to come here anymore.
I'm a disobedient child.
Disobedient and unprofessional.
He was never disobedient?
Because
Ye fight a war to restore to a disobedient, forgetful world.
Dolores Wilson, you are the most unruly, disobedient girl in this school. Now, I want you to march right up to that blackboard.
Sit. Proud, arrogant, abusive, disobedient to their parents.
I told you not to come here anymore.
I'm a disobedient child. Go on. Take a drink.
What happened?
Well, nothing good. He's completely disobedient and unprofessional.
Well, he's always like that.
Is he?
Well, he never demanded anything. He was never disobedient.
Because he was catatonic, Mrs. Lowe.
Fet and the corrupt and the sinful and the unbelieving. Ye fight a war to restore to a disobedient, forgetful world the laws and commands of the Prophet Muhammad.